Good day, guys. Good day, ladies and gents. I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. My name is Tio Sebong Abangala. For those who are still new to the channel, guys, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I post another content. It's very important for you guys to watch each and every video under your level of study. If you're doing N5, please watch all the videos from for N5, because under N5 I've shown you how to create a company without using a setup assistant, guys. So please, I beg, guys, I beg, you can watch video number 30 or where I talk about your report writers, which is the current video I'm about to do right now, but you haven't watched how to create a company from scratch, guys. It doesn't make sense. But anyway, today's lesson, guys, as I've said, I'm going to show you how to create your report writers from scratch, guys. We're still using Pastel Partner. This under your new syllabus is for N5, guys. For N5. Okay, let's begin. Let's go to, as you can see the information, guys, it says create the following budget report by the means of the report writer. Open bracket, click a new report from scratch. Create a new report from scratch. Use the following report format. Report heading, line 1, type your examination number here. Line number 2, budget report on #S, guys. This information here, guys, is for you when creating your report writer, guys. I'll take you one step at a time, guys, so you won't be confused. Let's go to our system. As you can see, guys, we're still using your Pastel Partner under the company you created, Sally. Like I've said, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post another content, guys. Okay, like I've said, today we're creating a report writer from scratch. You're gonna go to view, guys, view, general ledger, and report writers, guys. Okay, you can click yes, it's fine. Let's wait for the system to load, guys. It's loading. Okay, make it close. Okay, still loading. Okay, our question paper that we need to create a report writer from scratch, guys. We went to view, right, general ledger and report writers, guys. Then this will appear. Then you go to your bullet number 3, this one. As you can see, create a report from scratch. Then you click next. Next, case fine. Yes, so let's go to the question paper. This said report writer headings, line 1, type in your examination number here. Number 2, write budget report on #S. Okay, this is gonna be your line 1, this is gonna be line 2. If they say 3, this is line 3, this is line 4, guys. You have only 4 lines, guys. So let's say you need to type our examination number. Okay, I'm gonna create any examination number for this video. Let's make sure that the number has, let's stick to 5 digits, guys. 1 2 3 4 5. This is my examination number, guys. Then you can press tab, guys. Tab is gonna go to the next line, guys. They said we need to write budget report on #S, guys. For you to be able to insert the hashtag, guys, please press shift before you can press 3 on your keyboard. Hashtag is on top of number 3, guys. So press shift first, then press your number, then it is gonna give you the symbol that's on top of the number, guys. Okay, let's go back to the okay, we're done with our report headings, guys. As you can see, we only have 2 lines, one line and one and number 2, right, guys? We only have 2, guys. So your index description, let's say you need to write my budget. And please pay attention, guys. If they've shown you your report titles in capital letters, please do write your heading or your description in capital letters, guys. Please, I beg. Okay, index. They say you need to write my what? My report. Let me just make sure it's my report or my budget. My budget. Sorry, budget. Yeah, my budget. My budget. Okay, then you can press tab. Let's say under report type. Let's see. Okay, multi columns. That's rounding, no rounding. Note reference column, no. Omit standard headings, no. Okay. As you can see, guys, you won't find your yes or no under here, but when I select like this, guys, that means I'm selecting a node report column yes, guys. But if you untick, that means you do not want your omit standard headings, guys. Please. Okay, okay, we're done. They say after you need to what? You need to save your report. Okay, it's fine. Okay, then after you click next. Under next, guys, this is the information under the report columns. As you can see, they say the first one is 1 this year, and time period -11 0, actual year February 2015, guys. Okay, guys, there are 2 ways where you can do this when you are doing your report columns, guys. You can press 1, then press tab, then press T. The symbol that's in the bracket, guys. You can press T. It's gonna give you this here, guys. Even also here, press R. It's gonna give you run period, guys. Let me show you how, guys. Okay, as you can see this here, guys. Let's say your columns are empty. Your columns are empty. Okay, cool. Let's say this here, right? Then you press tab. Let's see. That's R. I press my R. Then eventually it's gonna give me your run periods. Okay, let's say heading 1. We need to write what? Let me see. Heading 1, actual year. Actual year. Number 2, this set is Feb 2015. And you can press okay. The next one, you can go to the next line. Let's say F future budget fixed periods. What I do, I press F, and I press tab. See the heading, budget mint, budget mint, mint. My date is what? March 2015. Okay, we only have 2, guys. 2 for this one. Okay, let's delete this one. Delete just because let's say we need to only have record 2, guys. As you can see, your question paper, I said column 1 and column 2 only. Then you save your report column, guys. Before you can click next, guys, please always click save. Then you can press next. Okay, now we're about to do our report lines, guys. report lines, it means we need to record this information as it is, guys. As it is. That means they say this is the format, guys, of your income statement. If you do know your income statement, this is the format of your income statement, guys. They say take this information and put it under your system, guys. Okay. I won't come back to this. I won't come back to the question paper. I'll come back when I'm done, guys. Okay. The first one is press Y. Y. Just press your symbol, guys. Everything will be fine. Symbol. Then the first one we have is what is incomes. And press tab. Still one. C. C means credit, guys. Tab. Then you write your formula CMO 4 1. Then you press add. Okay, add. Number 2 is still the same. Then you write your formula CMO6 06 1. Okay, let me see. D, that's debit. Expenses. Expenses, guys. Okay, then the press tab. It's easy to maneuver with tab, guys. Unlike using your your cursor, so it's easy to maneuver with tab. Just press tab and up down, tab, CP 07. CG5 plus CG07 tab 2. Profit steel 02 sub DL. Okay, let's go back to our question paper. Like I've said, I'm only gonna go back when I'm done. Let's check that whether everything is right, guys. As you can see, everything is correct. Okay, when you show, press save, then press start. Okay, it's gonna take you back. It's gonna take you back to your report writer's assistant, guys. Then go back to your question paper, guys. Question paper. Okay, I'm continuing with your question. I just want to show you something, guys. There's 1.4.2, guys. They say use a report writer assistant to make a pastel printout of your report writer format of the budget report, guys, with index my budget. I repeat, use the report writer's assistant to make a pastel printout of the report format of the budget report with index description my report, guys. Okay, what it means, guys, let me tell you what it means, guys. It means we need to print this thing. because we created our report, so now we need to print under pastel, guys. Okay, like I've said, when you're done, it's gonna take you here. As you can see, guys, you can print a report here. You can edit an existing report. You can create, which is what we've done. You can create one or more report by copying another report, guys, and you can print a report format, guys, which is what you want. You click this bullet and you click next. Let's set, okay, bear in mind, let's set my budget, guys. Remember when you were creating your report writers, there were numbers written starting from 9, guys, going upwards. This from number 1 to 8, it was already created, guys. So what we created this, guys, and that's it. We need to print it. So for this example, I'm gonna print this on your screen so you can be able to see it, guys. As you can see, my print, it says screen. Click and process. It's gonna appear on the screen, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, guys. As you can see, this is what we've said. They said we need to print, guys. You can see the format of your report lines. These are your columns. This is your information of your report writers, guys. Budget report, guys. This is what they needed. My index description, my budget, guys. This is what you were required to print, guys. See, very easy. Then you have your 10 marks. It's very easy, guys. Okay, let's continue. Finish. Okay, go. Finish is gonna take you out from the screen, guys. But remember, when you want to go back, you press View General Ledger. Report writer, guys. Okay, let's look at paper. Bear in mind, we printed our budget report, guys. The format of it. Then make sure that you have printed your own report, as no marks will be awarded if you print or hand in the format or one of the existing pastel report. Okay, we don't have to worry about this just because we created our own, guys. It's fine. Let's go to 1.5.1. Use the report assistant again to display the budget report with index my budget created in 14 or in 1.4.1 on 28 February 2015 with amounts in MS Excel on the screen bar. Okay, some of you might get confused here, guys. Let's say we need to print what we've just printed, guys, but it needs to have amounts and the date should it should be dated 28 February 2015, guys, and we need to print this under your not under pastel, not under the pastel, guys. This is a Excel printout, guys. This is an Excel printout, guys. Okay, remember, we're printing a what? We're printing a report with amounts. We're no longer printing a format, guys. Your bullet number 4, this one, you only print your format. The first one, you can print a report with amounts, guys. So we're gonna select the first one and select next. There we're looking for what? My budget, guys. My budget. The date, they said you need to date this 28 February, which is your period 12, guys. Let's see whether we should show 0 lines. Yes, 0 lines. We need to show 0 lines, guys. Like I've said, there's no yes or no. When I select, this is my yes, this is my no. Okay, cool, it's fine. And after, guys, Okay, they say we need to print this under Excel, guys. You need to display under Excel. That's what they said. But I'm gonna show you under pastel first, then I'm gonna also take you to Excel, guys. As you can see, screen is gonna display on your pastel, guys. Process. Okay. We've made a mistake, guys, because they said this report, it should have amounts, guys. It should have amount, guys. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we'll start next. My budget, pure 12 bytes. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, we do have amounts, guys. We do have amounts. Let's see. Okay. 28, 20, this is the right one, right? Okay. We cancel this one. I just wanna go check the amounts whether we do have amounts. Okay. Yes, we do have amounts. This is the. Let me see. Did we process our general? And bear in mind, guys, we time we do that to update. So the amounts as we haven't updated. Okay, cool. We need to update our general. Okay. Done. Okay, we close this thing and go back to view general. Report writers, guys. Until we get that, guys, the amounts need to appear under your income and expenses, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, still waiting. Okay, cool. Still printing there. Report right, guys. 2050. Okay, cool. Let's see whether the amount will appear or what. Okay, still no amount. Okay, start. Okay, still having no amount in our budget. Let's see this one. No. Okay, even our income statement is empty. We do not have an amount equals. Okay. Okay, see something here. We still don't have amount here, guys. Okay. Okay, when I was doing my channel, guys, I guess I've made a mistake. Maybe I haven't did my income and expenses, guys, the amounts, guys. That's why. But you come here, guys, and click whatever report you say you should print. Then here you need to print what to Excel, guys. Yes, I love to export. Okay, as you can see, this is my budget report, guys, under Excel, but mine is empty. We should have amount here, guys. Amounts here, as you can see, there are no train stock, there are no. Oh yes, I now know what's the problem, guys. Okay, this I didn't I didn't do this, guys. I didn't we I've skipped this part. That's the reason, guys. I've skipped this part. That's why we don't have amounts. Okay, let me do it quick, guys. Let me do it quick, guys. Go to editing, guys. Sorry. Edit budget. So our budget could have guys. That's why. So let me do it quick. You come here, press enter, guys. Enter. This have a different method, guys. As you can see here, you copy current budget or next year's budget. Here we adjust rounding off next year's budget, whatever. Here we enter or edit individual budget accounts, guys. Make a printout of budget. This is what we going to do. We're entering our amounts, guys. Let's see. It says period 1 of next year. Period 1 of next year. Eventually is not our current year, is next year's budget, guys. Then there is for what? Let me see. Sales to telephone, guys. That's what you click, guys, under your accounts. Okay, yeah. Okay, we do not have a telephone, guys. Here, I guess I've made a mistake somewhere here, but it was supposed to have telephone, guys. Then click next, and here you enter your amount, guys. Here, how much is our sale? It's 89,900. 89,000. Okay, I'm just gonna do two, guys. Then when you're done inserting your amount, guys, you press enter, double enter. It's fine and save. It's cost of sales. Okay, we have 54,864. Come here, 54,864. Tap twice. Then okay, like I've said, I'm gonna do this thing. Start shop. Then which way to report items, guys. View general. This view general ledger and report items, guys. Okay, let's see what I have amount and sales and cost of sales, guys. Let's see. Need to put this my budget 2050. Okay, now putting this to Excel. Let's want to scan first and see whether we have this, guys. Ha! As you can see, we're now having amounts, guys. Amount under what? Under your budget report. Just because if you can skip this part, guys, and create your own writers, your budget report will not have amounts, guys. Okay. We got one correct, guys. So let's say we need to print this under Excel. So next, just change this to Excel, guys. My budget. Don't forget to select my budget and Excel. Okay, next. Yes. Okay, this is how it's gonna appear, guys. But eventually gonna have your incomes and your expenses, guys, and amounts, guys, then they'll tell you what to do, guys. But for this video, I'm gonna end here, guys. uh I can't say see you next time, but guys, hope you come back to the channel when I post another one, guys. Thanks for each and everyone who was tuning in, guys. Thank you very much. We're done.